Can anyone else relate to this? My eyes are gradually dropping. However, as a professional makeup artist, I've got the tips and tricks to share with you of how we can create the illusion of a more lifted eye. Let me draw the line so that you can see the difference that the techniques I use on this eye make. We're going to start with the brows, because the brows are the #1 thing that will give you a more lifted looking eye. Get an eyebrow pencil, hopefully one with a spoolie on the end. Start by brushing up your brows. Look at the lift. Take the tip of the spoolie, tame down some of the hairs, turn the pencil round. I love this brow liner, it's one of my favorites. Take your pinky finger, this is gonna be your stabilizer. Start your brow, you're simply tracing along the line to the arch. Take the spoolie and blend that line up into your brow hair. Take the pencil and instead of tracing along the root of the hairs, we're actually going into the hairline from the brow arch to the tail. And then we're simply gonna blend with a brush. If, like me, you have some hairs missing at the front here, do 1 or 2 little flicks to create those missing hairs. Take your spoolie and brush. Look at the difference those techniques have made. My brow looks natural, but it looks framed, and I really feel it's giving it a beautiful lift. My next eyeliner is this one. This one is called Smokey liner. It's dual-ended and it's been designed to give you a subtle smoky eye in a very natural, beautiful way that also helps lift the eye. On one end is a shade called dark chocolate, and on the other end is this beautiful gleamy taupe shade. So this is dark chocolate and this is the taupe shade. And this taupe shade has a beautiful gleam to it. So when it goes onto the eye, it further helps lift the eye rather than dulling it down. When the two are blended together, they create the most beautiful, soft, smoky hue. This dual-ended eyeliner is not only waterproof, but it makes an eye lift really pretty and really easy. What's more, this dark chocolate isn't quite as harsh as a black, but it still has a beautiful depth of color. And when we apply this dark chocolate shade to the very upper waterline here, it's not only going to make our lashes look fuller, but in a second, I'm going to show you how you can further enhance a line to give yourself a beautiful eye lift at the corner. Hold your eyelid, take this dark chocolate shade and line our upper waterline just a quarter of the way in. We don't need to do it all the way around. We're just going to emphasize the outer corners. Now this might take some practice, but I promise you, once you've done it a few times, it's really, really easy. Do this with a waterproof eyeliner because you don't want this color to transfer to this lower waterline here. Now, can you see the lashes are looking just a little bit more defined? I'm now going to put a little bit on the outer corner. Then I'm going to take my pinky finger and I'm going to move my pinky finger from the corner of my eye up towards the tail of my brow. It's almost as if my eye was smiling up like this. That's the angle you want. It's to smudge that color up towards the end of the brow. And what this is going to do is going to create a very subtle micro wing. Now let's swap sides and go to this beautiful taupe shade, and we're simply going to apply this along the top of our lids. Blend with your finger. And if you further want to increase the lift, take this taupey shade, apply just a little right into the socket of the eye, like so. Then take your pinky finger, blend this really gently into the socket, like a little windscreen wiper motion, and taking it slightly over the socket so that it gives the illusion of lift. How pretty and easy is that? I'm in love. This liner here gives you a brow lift and it wakes up your eyes. I like to take this shade here and just gently line my lower waterline. It's like a little frame along my iris. I then take this color and I apply it just underneath the arch of my brow. This is further going to enhance a brow lift. And using a clean pinky finger, I simply blend. This is creating such a pretty eye look. Then, this, my friends, is so pretty. It gives the eye a beautiful sheen. It makes them look sparkly, open, pretty. I like to apply a little bit under the arch of my brow. So as that light catches my brow, you'll notice that the light bounces off and just creates this really nice subtle lift. Can you see? Take this colour and apply it just around my tear duct area. This is going to open my eye up and also make my eyes look twinkly and sparkly as the light throughout the day hits my eye. Then next, I use lash extending mascara. The more you apply, the longer your lashes become and the more open and lifted your eyes become. Take the tip of this spoolie and apply to the real inner corner lashes and the real outer corner lashes. This really gives my eye a beautiful almond shape that other mascaras cannot reach. And it's these baby lashes that really help give us that really lovely wide eye, open look. Again, I find the baby lashes right in the inner corner and the outer corner on the lower lash line to just frame the eye really beautifully. I am obsessed with this mascara. And there you go, an easy eye lift just using eyeliner. If you want more makeup tips, comment below what you want to learn and I will send you my tutorial. See you soon, bye.